Did you know that over 60% of seniors experience painful leg cramps, often in the middle of the night? That tight, stabbing pain that jolts you awake? The good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. Cramping, weakness, and stiff legs aren't just a natural part of aging. They're often signs that your body is missing key nutrients from your daily meals. The right foods can help relax your muscles, improve circulation, and even prevent cramps before they start. Even better? With just a few smart food choices, you can boost muscle strength, reduce inflammation, and stop those frustrating leg cramps before they begin. In this video, you'll discover the top 9 superfoods that can help you stay mobile, pain-free, and energized, plus how to use them safely, even if you're managing conditions like diabetes, high cholesterol, or kidney issues. Let's dive into one of the most surprising cramp fighters. Number 1 on the list is eggs, the muscle repair hero. Eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They're a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and recovery. For seniors who naturally lose muscle over time due to sarcopenia, protein becomes critical. Muscle fatigue is a leading cause of leg cramps, and eggs help by giving your body the fuel it needs to rebuild and strengthen those fibers. Each large egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium, essential for proper muscle contractions. And then there's vitamin B12, which supports your nerve health. That's especially important since many cramps are tied to nerve misfires, especially in older adults. Aim for 6 to 7 eggs a week. Worried about cholesterol? Research shows moderate egg consumption doesn't significantly impact heart health for most seniors. But if you're on a cholesterol-restricted diet, egg whites are a great option. They still pack protein without the fat. Next are bananas. Bananas are one of the most well-known foods for cramp relief, and for good reason. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, a perfect trio for muscle and nerve function. Potassium helps muscles contract and relax properly. Without it, your muscles become irritable, leading to spasms or that sudden cramping pain at night. Magnesium helps calm overactive muscles and regulate the signals sent from nerves to your muscles. Vitamin B6 supports your nervous system and red blood cell production, ensuring oxygen reaches your muscles efficiently. 1 banana a day is usually enough. But if you're active or taking medications like diuretics, you might need 2. Just be cautious if you have diabetes. Pair bananas with fiber-rich foods like oats or nuts to prevent sugar spikes. While bananas get a lot of attention, nuts and seeds quietly pack a powerful punch when it comes to muscle relaxation. Think of nuts and seeds as tiny muscle-saving powerhouses. They're packed with magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and protein, all nutrients that prevent cramps and boost muscle recovery. Magnesium, in particular, is crucial. It reduces muscle tension and supports ATP production, the energy source muscles use to function. It also balances calcium and potassium, which are essential for muscle contractions. Add a handful of nuts, about 1 ounce, into your daily routine. Try almonds, pumpkin seeds, pistachios, walnuts, or flax seeds. Eat them raw or dry roasted for maximum benefit. Watch out for added salt and sugar, especially if you have high blood pressure or kidney issues. And keep portion sizes modest. They're nutrient-dense but calorie-dense too. Another group of foods that deserves a spot on your plate? Dark leafy greens. These are like multivitamins in plant form. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with calcium, magnesium, potassium, and even small amounts of vitamin K and iron. Calcium plays a critical role in muscle contractions. Without enough, your muscles can seize up, causing cramps. Magnesium and potassium, as we've seen, support relaxation and nerve signaling. Many seniors are low in calcium, not just because of diet, but due to lower absorption with age. That's why dark leafy greens are so important. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach has over 240 milligrams of calcium and 150 milligrams of magnesium. Try adding a serving of greens to at least 1 meal per day. If raw salads are hard to digest, steam or sauté them. And for better calcium absorption, Eat them with foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits or bell peppers. Craving something hearty and naturally sweet? Sweet potatoes do more than fill you up. They're loaded with electrolytes your muscles crave. Sweet potatoes are an incredibly effective food for leg cramp prevention. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, three electrolytes that work together to regulate nerve and muscle function. Potassium helps your muscles contract and relax. Magnesium calms nerve impulses and reduces cramp intensity. Calcium is the trigger that actually helps muscles fire correctly. And beyond that, sweet potatoes contain complex carbs, which provide steady energy to your muscles, unlike sugary snacks that spike and crash your blood sugar. They're easy to digest, versatile, and affordable. Bake them, mash them, or even slice and roast like fries. Just one medium sweet potato provides over 500 milligrams of potassium and 50 milligrams of magnesium. For seniors with diabetes, pair sweet potatoes with protein or fiber, like chicken or beans, to help control blood sugar spikes. If you enjoy seafood, here's a delicious option that doesn't just support your heart. It strengthens your legs, too. Salmon isn't just good for your heart. It's also a top-tier food for leg and muscle health. It's packed with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and aid recovery. Omega-3s are essential fats that help improve blood flow and ease muscle soreness, especially after physical activity. Inflamed or tight muscles are more prone to cramping. The anti-inflammatory benefits of salmon help prevent that. Meanwhile, vitamin D supports calcium absorption, which strengthens muscle contractions. 2 servings a week is ideal. If fresh salmon isn't available, go for canned. Just check the sodium content. And if you don't like salmon, try sardines, mackerel, or take an omega-3 supplement, especially if you have joint pain or limited mobility. If you are looking for something creamy, refreshing, and good for your muscles, Greek yogurt might just be your new best friend. Greek yogurt is a true superfood when it comes to muscle and bone health. It delivers more protein than regular yogurt, plus calcium, potassium, and probiotics, which help with digestion and nutrient absorption. Seniors often deal with poor protein intake and weak digestion. Greek yogurt is easy on the stomach and helps repair muscle tissue, especially after mild activity or stretching. Plus, the calcium helps prevent cramping from low mineral levels, and the potassium supports fluid balance. It's especially helpful after exercise or as a light dinner. Just watch for flavored varieties that are loaded with sugar. Go for plain or unsweetened, and add berries, nuts, or honey for flavor. If you're lactose intolerant, try lactose-free or plant-based Greek-style yogurts with added calcium and protein. Let's not forget the humble bean. Affordable, filling, and full of nutrients that support muscle recovery and prevent cramps. Beans and lentils are some of the most affordable and effective superfoods for preventing leg cramps. They're loaded with magnesium, potassium, fiber, and plant-based iron. Iron is especially important for seniors because it helps your blood carry oxygen. Without enough oxygen, muscles tire out quickly, and that can trigger cramps. Half a cup of cooked lentils gives you around 3 milligrams of iron, 70 milligrams of magnesium, and nearly 400 milligrams of potassium. Try adding beans to soups, stews, salads, or stir-fries. Just rinse canned beans to reduce sodium. If you have digestive issues like gas or bloating, start with smaller portions or use sprouted lentils. They're gentler on the gut. And finally, something a little juicy to wrap things up: watermelon. Yes, the summer favorite does more for your muscles than you might think. It's a hydrating, potassium-rich fruit that's amazing for cramp relief. Muscle cramps are often caused by dehydration, and watermelon is about 92% water. It also contains potassium and a compound called D-citrulline, which helps improve blood flow and reduce soreness. 1 cup of diced watermelon gives you about 170 milligrams of potassium. And if you're active, it's a refreshing post-exercise snack that replenishes lost fluids and electrolytes. You can enjoy it on its own, in smoothies, or paired with a little mint and lime. Just be cautious if you're managing diabetes. Stick to about 1 cup per serving and balance it with protein or fiber. So there you have it. 10 powerful superfoods that can help you prevent painful leg cramps and keep your legs strong and mobile. Start small, add 1 or 2 to your routine and build from there. If you found this helpful, check out our other videos on how to strengthen your legs and boost circulation. It's the perfect follow-up to what you've learned today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay moving, and remember, your best years are still ahead.